Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be making some delicious bruschetta. So let's do this. I have my bread. I got a nice baguette and I just sliced them up. And so I'm going to put those in the oven so they get nice and crispy. And put some olive oil on them. And then we'll put our other stuff together, see? Okay, so here we have some olive oil. And we're just gonna brush these just very, very gently. And then we're going to toast these. In the oven for a few minutes. So while that's toasting, bruschetta is one of my favorite appetizer because it's so delicious and it's so easy to make. So I have a bowl here and I have one large tomato cut up with a quarter of a green pepper. Put that in there. And I have one clove of garlic that I grounded. Okay. Then I have one shallot that I cut up, very, very small. I have 3 of these mozzarella green olives. And I have some parsley and basil that I cut up. And these are my own sun-dried tomatoes that I dried out on my lanai for days, so they're delicious. And now I want to put about a tablespoon of olive oil in here. I'm not going to measure it. I have a good sense of what a tablespoon is about. But again, I'll leave the recipe for you guys. Salt and pepper. I have to put the salt in. See how easy that is? And of course I use extra virgin olive oil. Use about a teaspoon of salt. And you just toss this up nice there. Look at that. With the sun-dried tomatoes and olives and a little bit of garlic, it just smells wonderful. Yeah, babe. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, now I'm gonna open, I bought this cheese today. It's 4 cheese with Assaggio, Parmesan, Provolone, and Rutina cheese. So we're gonna put this over. Ooh, they really seal these things. Good thing I have my little paring knife here. So, we'll use that cheese, put this over here because we're done with that. Now you can just put these on top of the toasted bread and you're good to go. Sometimes I put it in and I bake it with the cheese on top, and that also comes out very nice. I think Maybe today I'll bake it with the cheese on top because it looks beautiful and it tastes great. So let's check on the bread. Another minute. They look pretty good. You know, I'm gonna do the olive oil on the other side as well. No, that's good. Okay. So we're gonna put these on there and I'm gonna put them back in the oven. Yeah, I think I'll put them in the oven because it'll be nice when it's done. This way the filling will be nice and warm as well. Okay, and now we'll just put some cheese over it. Okay, bruschettas going into the oven. Be back in 5 minutes. Okay, everyone, our bruschetta is ready. Nice melted cheese on top. Yeah, baby. And I'm only gonna put a couple on the plate here. These came out gorgeous. Boy, the holidays are coming. If anyone's expecting guests or just want to have a nice glass of wine with some bruschetta, I tell you, this is my go-to. So let me put this away. And here we go. It's my famous bruschetta, and I will leave the recipe for everyone. Thank you all. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.